Here's how to change your WhatsApp phone number in 2026. Ensure that your new SIM card is activated and you can receive text and calls. So open WhatsApp, then tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen, then select Settings. After that, select Account and select Change Phone Number, which is in the section of your account. Select Next from the bottom. Enter your current number at the top and your new number at the bottom, and you'll receive a confirmation option to share your new number with all contacts and contacts you've chatted with, or a custom selection. To keep your number private, you can turn this option off and then tap on Done. If the new number is in the same phone, WhatsApp may automatically verify it with a missed call. Alternatively, verification methods are also available. Tap on Continue and grant any requested permissions. And once your number is verified, you'll be logged back into your WhatsApp account and a message will confirm the successful transfer. Your contacts will remain unchanged, and you can verify the change by going to Settings and viewing your profile, where you'll see a new number. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.